Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, this has been well advertised. This is a huge upper level disturbance and a strong cold front for April that is producing a line of severe thunderstorms from the hill country and then north and east from there all the way to Austin and northwest of San Antonio around Kerrville. Some of these storms have already produced golf ball size hail and damage in Austin with wind gusts there over 60 miles an hour. We also have storms down to the southwest of Highway 35 there towards Laredo, and you can see how they are building up as the afternoon and evening wears on and the disturbance gets closer to us. So showers and thunderstorms ending by about 2 to 3 a.m. here tonight in our far eastern counties. Severe storm risk with damaging wind and large hail are the two primary factors that we need to worry about tonight in the area. And then some of these storms are going to have heavy rainfall. I wouldn't be surprised if some locations see 1 to 2 inches. All right, so this is the dividing line in red here, 6 to 10 p.m. That's where the likely timing of these storms will be along B and Live Oak County westward, and then south and east of that line, including Corpus Christi, storms will be occurring between 9 p.m. and 2 a.m. They're moving at about 30 to 35 miles an hour, pretty good clip. Earlier today, we had a very nice morning low of 65 and afternoon high of 84, both numbers well below normal for this time of the year. Our hour-by-hour forecast, stormy here this evening and parts of tonight, and then it gets windy after that. Look at temperatures plummet into the 50s by morning and then only in the 70s tomorrow with a lot of wind, especially the first half of the day with gusts to 40 miles an hour. This is a very vigorous system. It's also accompanied by severe thunderstorm watch boxes up in central and north Texas. You can see that in these orange boxes here. Here's our frontal system, and again, the storm's firing out ahead of it with the upper level disturbance associated with it as well. So here's our front. It's 68 right now behind it in San Angelo, 53 in Amarillo, while it's 83 here and 94 in Laredo. Big temperature contrast also aids in producing severe weather across the front. This is that disturbance we've been talking about coming into the region here by overnight. Tomorrow morning we'll have sinking air behind this, and we'll see skies clear quickly as that pushes on through. Here it is on the Doppler radar and future tracker estimate. 9 o'clock tonight, storms approaching George West and then approaching the city about 10:45 to 11, already through Sinton and Alice, and then along the coast about 11:30 to 1 a.m. as they advance smartly in our direction, and then the northwesterly winds take over behind this with sunshine and wind here tomorrow and much cooler temperatures tomorrow night. And again, here's just another view of that front barreling through the area around 11 o'clock tonight and pushing offshore. Rainfall amounts are going to vary widely. I point this up because, again, some areas may see not so much and other areas are going to see 1 to 2 inches. The winds behind this will not be too strong, except near the storms, of course, until after daybreak. Notice how the winds pick up 20 to 25 with gusts to 35 and 40 here tomorrow afternoon. If you have plans, don't do them outdoors, especially mariners. Stay in. So there's the storms tonight. We'll be down to a rain-cool 56 degrees, 78 tomorrow with sunshine, outstanding 55 and 83 Sunday. It does get windy, but nice here Monday, and then very warm and humid after that through the middle and end of next week. Michelle, it's going to be a wild night. Be ready.